In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft account from scratch, whether you're on a PC, laptop, or your mobile phone. First thing you need to do is open up your browser and go to Microsoft.com. Once here in the top right, there is a sign in button. Click that. Next, at the bottom of this middle section, it will say new to Microsoft, create an account. You just want to hit create an account. Now you have two options here. If you want to create a Microsoft account with a pre-existing email address, let's say that you need it for work, or you wish to convert your work email address into a Microsoft account, you type it in here. Once you're in the next page, all you need to do here is just fill out your country or region and your date of birth, then press next, as well as add your first and last name to your Microsoft account. You'll then be asked to prove that you're a human. So you just have to hold down this button, wait for it to load. From here, you'll be brought back to the home page. So now all we need to do is go into the top right and click the profile icon, then click My Microsoft Account. With this page now up, in the top left, there is a few dots. Click that, and now you're able to open every single Microsoft program that exists. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.